Hello dear students. Today our topic is effects of alcohol on sports persons. Effects, a change that is caused by something, a result is called effects of connected with alcohol, the colorless liquor that is found in drinks such as wine, where extra is called alcohol on physically in contact with and sported is called on sports person. A sports person, also known as sportsman or sportswoman, it is a person who is involved in sports. It may mean someone who is involved in the promotion of sport or athletic activities is called sports person. Alcohol has been widely used by sports persons. Alcohols means the colorless liquor that is found in drinks such as wine, beer, etc. has been widely over a large area or range used, having already been used. Sports person, a person who is involved in the promotion of games and sports. Mainly it is used to increase mental relaxation, which may help to improve sports performance. Mainly, more than anything else, used, having already been used, increase, make greater in size. Mental relaxation. Relaxation in psychology is the emotional state of living being of low tension in which there is an absence of arousal that could come from sources such as anger, anxiety, or fear. Extra is called mental relaxation, which may help to improve sports performance. Which may help mean used to express the possibility to improve, make better sports performance. Sports performance is the manner in which sport participation is measured. It is the quest for performance improvement that drives the analysis of the individual competent of performance is called sports performance. Effects means cause to happen. On the other side, it has adverse effect which are as listed below. On the other side mean change and someone will stop being happy. Adverse, harmful effects cause to happen which are listed means which are marked below under. Reaction time increased. First point, reaction time increased means reaction time increased is how long it takes you. Alcohol leads to increases of reaction time when it consumed by sports person. Alcohol leads to increases. Increases mean make greater of reaction time. The length of time taken for a person to respond to given event is called reaction time. When it consume means when, at what time. Consume, eat or drink. Why sports person? A person who involved in games and sports is called sports person. Even neuromuscular coordination also decreases. Neuromuscular coordinations can be defined as the ability of the central nervous system to control the muscles in the execution of multi-limb functional movements is called neuromuscular coordination. Also decreases means become smaller. Accuracy of sports person decreased. Accuracy, the quality of being correct. Sports person, the person who involved in games and sports, decreased, smaller or poor. The skills are adversely affected by ingestions of alcohol as it reduces accuracy. The skills means the ability to do something well is called skills. Adversely means harmful, affected, influenced by ingestions of alcohols means after a drink is swallowed the alcohol is rapidly absorbed into the blood with effects felt within 5 to 10 minutes after drinking is called ingestion of alcohol as it reduces accuracies. Reduces means to become smaller. Accuracy, the quality of being correct. Strength, speed, and endurance decreased. Strength, the quality of being physical strong. Speed, the rate at which someone moves or operates is called speed. Endurance, the ability to endure an unpleasant situation without giving way is called endurance. Decreased, become small amount. Acute ingestions of alcohol leads to decrease in strength, speed and endurance. Acute means severe ingestions of alcohol. After drink is swallowed the alcohol is rapidly absorbed into the blood with effects felt within 5 to 10 minutes after drinking. To decrease, to become small amount. Strength, the quality of being physical strong. Speed, the rate at which someone moves or operates. Endurance, the ability to endure an unpleasant situation without giving way is called endurance. These fitness components are most essential to perform well in daily life. These fitness components means is fitness component is a simply a way of identifying a certain part of a person's fitness is called components of physical fitness or most essentials mean greatest amount essential very important to perform the act of presenting a play well in a good way in daily life. Everyday person's normal existence is called daily life. Excessive use of alcohol, excessive mean more than is necessary from normal is called excessive use. Utilize alcohol, a colorless liquor that is found in drink such as wine, beer, etc. The excessive use of alcohol will have a long term consequences means more than is necessary normal use. Utilizing of alcohol will have a long term consequences. Will have means why the time, long term, extended period of time. Consequences, a result of effect not only on performance but also on the health of the athlete. Not only means you put only performance the action but also on the health of the athlete. Health of the athletes means well-being of the athlete who participate in an organized sport is called health of the athlete. Blood sugar of athlete decreases. Blood sugar of athletes. Blood sugar means glucose is the main sugar found in your body. It comes from the food you eat and is your body main source of energy is called blood sugar of athlete. Athlete, a person who takes part in competitive track and field events is called athlete. Decreases, become less. Alcohol consumption sometimes decreases the blood sugar levels. Alcohol consumption means an alcoholic drink is a drink that contains the recreational drug ethanol is called alcohol consumptions. Sometimes decreases, sometimes means someday decreases to become small. The blood sugar levels means the glucose is the main sugar found in your blood. It comes from the blood you food you eat and is your body main source of energy. And blood sugar level, the blood sugar level is the blood sugar concentrations or blood glucose level is concentration of glucose present in blood of human and other animals is called blood sugar levels. Prolonged training with hangover may further precipitate hypoglycemia. Prolonged means prolonged training, long time. The action of undertaking a course of exercise is called prolonged training. With hangover means a severe headache after effects caused by drinking and excess of alcohol is called hangover. May further means where there is. Precipitate means to happen suddenly. Hypoglycemia means deficiency of glucose in the bloodstream is called hypoglycemia. Alcohol dehydrations. Alcohol dehydrates sports person's body. Alcohols, the colorless liquor that is found in beer and wine. Dehydrations, the loss or removal of water from something, a harmful reductions in the amount of water in the body is called dehydrations. Sports person's body. Alcohol is a potent diuretic and will promote dehydration. Potent. Potent, having a great power, influence. Diuretic, causing increased passing of urine is called diuretic and will promote dehydrations. Dehydrations, a harmful reductions in the amount of water in the body is called dehydration. Any sport training regularly in the morning would be advised to limit alcohol consumptions, otherwise it may cause dehydrations. Any means some. Sports training is a process of preparation for a sports performance is called sports training. Regularly means with a constant period. In the morning, the period of time between midnight and noon, especially from sunrise to noon, is called morning. Would be advised, would be means desiring, advised, acting in a way that would be recommended to limit a point. Alcohol consumptions. An alcoholic drink that contains the recreational drug ethanol is called alcohol consumptions, otherwise it may cause dehydration. Otherwise means consider or else. Cause means conditions, dehydrations, a harmful reductions in the amount of water in the body is called dehydrations. Effects of alcohol on memory. Effects means reason of alcohols, of means connected with alcohol, the colorless liquid that is found in drinks such as wine, wear extra on memory, the faculty by which the mind stores and remembers informations is called memory. Alcohol impairs the functioning of the hippocampus. Impairs means stress, many memory function and cognitive functioning of brain is called impairs. The functioning means to work of the hippocampus means thought to be the center of emotion, a part of your brain. A part of your brain. A brain is an organ that serves the center of the nervous system is called brain, which is vital, means which is very essential to the formation of memories. Formation of memories means even adding new ones or removing old ones is critical to memory formations is called formations of memories. Alcohol slow down reaction time. Alcohols mean the colorless liquid that is found in drinks such as wine, beer, extra. Slowdowns mean decline reaction time, the length of time taken for a person to respond for the event is called reaction time. Even small amounts of alcohol can result in slowed reaction time and decreased hand-eye coordinations. Even small amount of alcohol in a very small amount of alcohol can help a person feel more relaxed or less anxious. Can result means to proceed. Slowed means declined and decreased. I decreased means small amount, hand eye coordinations. Reaction time, the length of time taken for a person to respond for a event. Decreased become less amount. Hand eye coordination is the coordinations, control of eye movement with the hand movement and the processing of visual input to guide reaching and grasping along with the use of parissations of the hands and to guide the eyes is called hand-eye coordinations. Not only can this impair performance, not only means what also impair performance to make worse. What a slowed reaction can increase your risk of injuries. Slow decline reactions means the length of time taken for a person to respond for the event is called reaction time. Can increase means to make greater. Your means belonging, risk of injury, a state in which a person has the potential for being physically harmed is called risk of injuries. Effects of alcohol on muscle development and recovery. Effects of alcohol means other causes. Alcohol is the colorless liquid that is found in drinks such as wine, beer, extra on muscle development and recovery. muscle development and recovery means improvement in the performance of skeletal muscle used during intense exercise is called muscle development recovery. Muscle health is the key to successful athletic performance. Muscle health Muscle health, which is responsible for moving and external areas of the body, is key to successful. Key means important. Successful desired aim. Athletic performance means the athletes taking part in games and sports and his performance. And science shows that alcohol can rob you of your hard work in the weight room. Science is the study of the nature and behavior of natural things, and the knowledge that we obtained is called science. Shows cause to be visible. Alcohol, the colorless liquor that is found in drinks such as wine and beer extra, can rob means threat of force. Your hard work means a great deal of effect. In the weight means mass. In the weight room, a room containing equipment for weight training is called weight room. Alcohol depletes your energy. Alcohol, the colorless liquor that is found in drinks such as wine, beer, etc. Deplete means exhaust the strength of the sports persons. After alcohol is absorbed through your stomach and small intestines and moves into your cells. After alcohols means after behind the colorless liquor that is found in drinks such as wine, beer, etc. Absorbed, soaked up through direct stomach. The stomach is a muscular organ located on the left side of the upper abdomen is called stomach, and small intestines. The small intestines is a part of the digestive system is called small intestines and moves into your cells. Moves means to change the position. Your cells are the basic building blocks of all living things is called your cells. It can disrupt the water balance in your body. It can disrupt means it can disordering the water balance. Water balance equations can be used to describe the flow of water in and out of a system is called the water balance. In your body means relating to you yourselves. The physical structure of a person or an animal is called in your body. Thanks and have a nice day.